Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and we're doing our June drawing. Not many entries for these pretty necklaces, but that's okay. I want to thank all of my subscribers. I'm getting closer to 300. I can't wait till I hit 5. But this is June's drawing, so I've got all the names written down. I got the numbers in here, and just shake it up. I can't even see in this bottle. So here we go. We're going to get right to it. Just come on out of there. Anyone will do. It doesn't want to come out. Maybe I made them too big this time. Okay, here's one. Let's see what number we are. Number 10. And let's see who number 10 is. It is Art by Catherine Seacrum. Yay, Catherine! So, I will check to see which one she wrote down. If she didn't tell me which one she liked, which I'll double check. But if she didn't, Catherine, please email me below your address, and so I can get this shipped out to you. And congratulations, Catherine. And thank you again to all my subscribers. We got some new videos coming up soon with our group, Pouring in Harmony. More challenges coming up, and I've got some more videos too, and I'm going to be working on some resin as well. So stay tuned, and in just a couple weeks, we'll be starting the new July giveaway. So we'll see you soon. Again, congrats, Catherine, and please, below, email me, okay? Thank you, everyone. Have a great night. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now. See you soon.